Machine learning and types of learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, which is broadly defined as the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. Machine learning, ML, is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows software applications to become more accurate at predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed. So let's see the types of machine learning. There are primarily three types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Starting with supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning that uses labeled data to train machine learning models. Which means some data is already tagged with the correct answer. After that, the machine is provided with a new set of examples, data. So that the supervised learning algorithm analyzes the training data, set of training examples, and produces a correct outcome from labeled data. Second is the unsupervised learning, which is a type of machine learning that uses unlabeled data to train machines. Suppose the unsupervised learning algorithm is given an input dataset containing images of different types of cats and dogs. The algorithm is never trained upon the given dataset, which means it does not have any idea about the features of the dataset. The task of the unsupervised learning algorithm is to identify the image features on their own, like nose, shape, size, eyes, etc. Unsupervised learning algorithm will perform this task by clustering the image dataset into groups according to similarities between images. I hope you understood about the machine learning and its types. Thank you for seeing this video. For more learning and information videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.